So we start off today's video with someone doing a DIY haircut. So she's doing the wolf cut or butterfly cut method for getting layers. And then after the cut, she is of course doing the blowout, which really helps accent the layered styles. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending hairstyle ideas. Today's video will feature a variety of hair transformations. Here we have someone doing a DIY hair color. So it looks like she colored her hair in and now she's proceeding to cut it. Looks like she gave herself bangs as well. Really cute. I think she did an amazing job with that. The color and the cut definitely looks amazing. Really nice. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hairstyle ideas, please be sure to like today's video. And of course, hit that subscribe button so that you can stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So next up we have someone else doing the butterfly cut. And this by far is probably the hottest DIY hairstyle that girls and women are attempting to do at the moment. Wow, absolutely gorgeous results. Most of the ones that I've managed to find and see definitely have like salon worthy results. So if this is something that you want to try, or if you have tried yourself, let me know in the comments below. I'm kind of curious to see. And for the butterfly cut, most of the time you are going to do the 2 ponytails. And then you also want to finish up with the blowout. Beautiful job. So we have another one doing the butterfly haircut trend. Absolutely gorgeous. She gave herself bangs too. Looks like a very cute layered bob style. Okay, so this one is a butterfly cut gone wrong. Let's see the end results. So she says that this style went wrong, and I think that may be because she cut the ponytail in the front too short. If you notice, when people are doing this method, they're not cutting the ponytails super short. And I think it also works better for longer hair. Yeah, see, her hair was way too short in the front to cut it so short, and that's why it kind of came out that way. She can kind of clean up that line and just kind of tidy it up herself, or head to the salon to get a major repair. Otherwise, she does have some layers there, to be honest. Kind of looks like a nice little like wolf cut to me, but she still thinks that it was a fail. So here we have someone who is doing a DIY hair color. Oh, it looks like she went darker. Very pretty bob haircut that she has. Love the bangs. So pretty. So then we have someone who is getting a mullet. This is another very popular hair trend for 2023. Wow, I absolutely love it. Came out amazing. Then we got another DIY hair color. Looks like she did a pink money piece highlight and undercolor trend. Wow, that came out amazing. So we have blue here for the next one. Oh, love that pair with the blue eyeshadow. That looks absolutely gorgeous. And we have another DIY color switch up. Oh, wow. Amazing job. Then we have someone at the salon getting their hair color done. It's like she's going with like lavender, purple. Wow, really pretty color combination. Absolutely stunning. I love how the color looks with the curls. So pretty, and she has some nice dimension with that one as well. So we have someone attempting to dye their hair red. Oh, she did a great job. Really light, or dark burgundy rather, really pretty. And the color looks so nice and subtle. I think she did an amazing job. And we have another box dye DIY. Before, after. Is it just me or does her hair look the same? Looks like a little bit brighter, I guess. So I hope that you guys enjoyed checking out these hair transformations with me. If you did, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up and check out this one if you want to see even more inspiring hairstyle ideas.